How to turn off page frequently asked questions on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page frequently asked questions on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines, click on it and then scroll down until you find pages and select your page. And now click this settings icon here and then just click this one, messaging, and here you can find it. All you need to do is just one click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.